Republic TV now getting you the latest visuals from Kolkata airport where waterlogging took place due to heavy rains triggered by cyclone Amphan. Remember, Amphan has killed at least 12 people and ravaged Kolkata completely and several parts of West Bengal as it left behind a trail of destruction by uprooting trees, destroying thousands of homes and swamping low-lying areas of the state. As we speak over these visuals, while a man and a woman were killed when trees came crashing down on them in North 24 Parganas district, a 13-year-old girl died in a similar incident in adjoining Howrah. Packing heavy rain and winds with speed of up to 190 km per hour, extremely severe cyclone Amphan slammed Digha coast of West Bengal. This happened at 2:30 p.m. yesterday, triggering heavy rainfall and gustings in various parts of the state. But now, waterlogging, which we can see at Kolkata airport, a result of cyclone Amphan that made landfall in West Bengal yesterday itself. Let's quickly play out a ground report filed by my colleague Suragini on the same.
We are here in Kolkata, and this is the situation that the storm has created, the cyclone has created, and this is on Red Road, which is one of the major busiest roads of Kolkata, nearing all the big spots in the city. Now, this looks devastating. The pictures speak 1,000 words. The cyclone passed by through the city in last evening, and this is the destruction that it has left. 12 people have lost their lives in this massive cyclone. Such kind of wind speed was faced by the city after a long time. The Chief Minister herself has stated that this was a devastating cyclone and South Bengal has faced maximum wrath of this cyclone. Major evacuation and relief is being done by Kolkata police, by the West Bengal government in accordance with NDRF and central government. But the destruction that has been done by this cyclone will leave an impact for a long time. With camera person Shubhra Ghosh, Suryagni Roy, Republic TV, Kolkata.
Alright, that's the latest one can see as far as the condition in West Bengal is concerned. 12 people, remember, have lost their lives due to cyclone Amphan. Though, according to the latest bulletin released by the Indian Met Department, it moved northeastwards with a speed of 27 km per hour. This happened during the past 6 years, further weakened into a cyclonic storm and lay centered over Bangladesh. But now, everyone on ground zero making sure that the situation comes under control. Everything that happened as a result of cyclone Amphan being looked at very carefully. Waterlogging, meanwhile, at the Kolkata airport that you can see on your television screens. Now, fire and disaster services are also removing uprooted trees from all those affected areas in West Bengal and also in several parts of Odisha.